how to play 1080 x 1080 CS2. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play CS2 in a 1080 x 1080 resolution. Make sure to watch this video till the very end. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. First, open up Steam and launch Counter-Strike 2. Once you're inside the game, click on the settings icon. It's usually at the top or in the main menu. Now, inside settings, head over to the video tab. Here, you'll find your resolution settings and scroll until you find the 1080 x 1080 option. Once you are done with your required settings, after that move your cursor down to the lower left corner and click on Apply Changes. Also in this way, you can easily default the settings as well. And that's it. That's how you can easily play CS2 in 1080 x 1080 resolution. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick gaming tips and tricks. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.